Hi, this is JB Lennox and welcome back to my channel. We are on day 6 of our 2 ingredient juice cleanse. This is our pineapple cucumber and it looks so scrumptious. And I have just put just enough. So this is my results of day 6. Let me put my arms down. And enjoy, people. So good, so refreshing, and so healthy. So yes, I hope you put it to the challenge. Again, this is day 6. This is a 7-day challenge. If you want to keep the challenge going, go ahead and try it yourself. If you want to keep the challenge going longer than 7 days, go ahead and try it yourself as well. When you grow, I grow, we grow together. I appreciate you. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that share button, and make sure you turn on all your notifications. Thank you and have a great day.